Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be making a box out of Olivewood. I like the grain of Olivewood because it reminds me of marble. And the wood sort of smells nice too, I think. Yeah. I got this product off of Go Forest and I highly recommend them. Let's get started. Alright, here's the finished Olivewood box, and I love a box that will pop when you take it off and click when you put it back on. And then, oh, didn't I click there? There we go. But it's definitely not perfect because grain doesn't line up very well. Like if I line, let's see, this grain up. This one sort of lines up, but it's not very good. And then this part too doesn't look very cool. And if I was to put another dip in the cap, it would look better also. And I should have spent some more time sanding because see all those bumps. But if you want, you can bid on it in the link of the description below, and hopefully you can get it. Boxes are great for any little trinkets that you'd need, and like BBs, airsoft BBs, Kleenex if you didn't want someone to know you had COVID-19. Just kidding. Q-tips, pencil lead maybe, a tooth if you don't want to throw it away.
Anything you'd want concealed, safe and sound, in a nice little wooden box.